a lot of us, when we first start out with canning, are nervous about botulism. If that's you, you need to run out to the store in the pet section or the pool supply section and get you a packet of pH strips. The reason why is because botulism cannot survive in an acidic environment. The number that we're looking for that is safe against botulism is 4.6 or lower on the pH scale. So I have a jar of pear sauce here that I canned up last year, and just for peace of mind, I'm going to dip my pH strip in here, dip it, very gently rake it, set it on the counter, and I'm going to read it in just about 15 seconds. Doesn't take long at all. I'm going to compare it on my test strip here. We are looking at below 4.6, so here we are. I have a very clear green on that top box, kind of an orange on that second box, so we're looking right about here, which is a 2.5 to 3. So that is below that 4.6 level, so we are good to go. I am rest assured, peace of mind. This is acidic, too acidic for botulism to survive. So if you're new to canning and you're nervous about that, get you some pH strips. It'll give you some peace of mind. Hope that helps. See y'all next time.